I'll be showing you a little tutorial today on how to get your JB4 app on Apple CarPlay. So you could read live gauges and interact with the application.
Alright, so I'm not going to directly show you how to jailbreak your iPhone, but I will post a few reputable links that I've used myself in the description. I'll be showing them for Mac OS, Windows, using a boot drive, etc. So I'll have all the pertinent information down in the description, and once you have it jailbroken, come back and you'll be set. Now I do recommend having a iPhone 7, something that can run iOS 14, and make sure you have iOS 14. You don't have 15 or higher. I believe the highest version is 14.7.2 that you can run. Anything above that, and you can't run the jailbreak. Alright, you're going to want to open up the CheckRain application after your jailbreak, and you're going to want to install Cydia through the CheckRain app. You're going to go ahead and go through the process of installing it, and once you're done, you should have Cydia installed, and you can go ahead and download CarPlayeEnable, and that should allow you to use Apple CarPlay with any application you have downloaded. Alright, now that we have Cydia downloaded, you're going to want to go ahead and go to the search bar at the bottom right corner, and from there type in CarPlayeEnable, and you just go ahead and hit install, and from there it'll install the plugin and restart your springboard, and you should be all set.
So with the JB4 app on your Apple CarPlay, you'll be able to interact as if it was on the phone, change the gauges as you want. You could go ahead and read your logs. So you're on the road, you just want to check a data log. Boom, easy. You want to go ahead and clear codes. Easy. And if you want to change any settings, you can go ahead and do that.